This is the Magic Renova system.
Hello, my name is Arnoldo Fernandez from Bonastra Systems, and we're going to talk about the Magic Renova polishing kit. This kit is made for marble, travertine, and limestone, and it's going to help you if you have acid stains or edge marks, dullness, or light wear on your stone.
4 pads in the kit. You also get a green polishing pad and an adapter for your drill. This is damaged stone on a table marble top. This is step 1. You put the pad on the drill. Here's the damaged areas. Add water. And it's time to start polishing. You want to make sure that the water turns into a nice milky color, and that lets you know that you're cutting the stone. And now you can squeegee off the excess. Make sure you dry in between each step. Now this is step 2. Go ahead and repeat the same process, water, and then start polishing. Evaluate the area after each time you polish. Step 3, pad 3. Don't forget to take a moment to subscribe if you're getting value out of this video. And don't forget, take your time. Pro tip, when you're doing this in your home, go ahead and mask everything off. You can get that at your local store, Home Depot or Lowe's, and make sure that all the extra things in your home are masked off. Put tape, and then also you can put plastics on the floor and wear an apron. This is step 4, pad 4. Repeat. You always want to make sure to put enough water on the table. You do not want to polish it dry. You can already see that sheen is starting to come back. Last and final step is the green polishing pad. Don't forget the water. Now we're just doing a section of this table. When you're doing this in your home, on your countertops or table, you'd want to do the entire surface with each pad. And that is the finished results. All the damage is gone, all the acid stains and etching are removed. If you haven't yet, subscribe now. If you like this video, leave a comment down below. And make sure you hit the notification button so you can see other videos just like this. Information will be in the description below. Thank you for watching.